Good day, my name is Chief Matthew Todd Pegan, and I'm the Chief of the Pasqua First Nation. When we first started this process, I heard the plight of the First Nations leaders that they need PPE. PPE in terms of gowns, masks, face shields, sanitizing for their frontline workers. PFN Group of companies and Pro Mill Industries, they're looking at that. They're looking at retooling and expanding the current facility, and one sector will be dealing with just PPE. So through ProMetal and our contacts, we set out to find PPE. So we acquired masks, we acquired shields, gowns, and gloves for all the 74 First Nations in Saskatchewan. That was approximately just a little bit over $2 million. And of course, First Nation Indian Health Benefits, they paid for that. And the Federation of Sovereign Indigenous Nations, they dispersed it to all the First Nations that required it.
So when COVID hit, we could have sat back and watched, the world go by and how they reacted to it. But we wanted to step up along with Chief Egan, PFN Group of companies, and Pasqua, and look internally to ourselves and look, how can we use our tools, our resources, our knowledge to help other First Nations combat this? We partnered with Indigenous Services Canada, ISC, to deploy 41 Blue Med shelters. And what a Blue Med shelter is, it's negative pressure isolation facility that houses 10 beds, and it's to expand healthcare facilities on these First Nations or these First Nations that did not have facilities. So we partnered with ISC, and so far we've deployed 28 of the 41 shelters. So we're supplying them and supplying the install teams. So the way we see it, it's First Nations helping other First Nations.